Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Ahrefs for keyword research and money pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Ahrefs website at ahrefs.com. Click on the sign up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. Choose a subscription plan that best fits your needs. Consider the features included in each plan before making your choice. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once verified, log in to your Ahrefs account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand the layout and features. Navigate to the Keywords Explorer tool, which is essential for keyword research. Enter a seed keyword related to your niche in the search bar. Select the appropriate search engine and country settings for accurate results. Click on the search button to initiate your keyword analysis. Review the keyword suggestions provided in the results. Examine key metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and click potential. Look for long-tail keywords that are relevant to your content. Bookmark or export keywords that you find particularly valuable. Next, access the Site Explorer tool to analyze competitor websites. Enter the URL of a competitor in the search bar. Review their top-performing pages and the keywords they rank for. Identify possible gaps in their strategy that you can exploit. Now, return to the Keywords Explorer and enter more specific keywords related to your identified gaps. Take note of any keywords that have high search volume but low competition. These are ideal for creating money pages on your site. Create a content plan based on the keywords you've researched. Assign target keywords to specific pages or blog posts to optimize for SEO. Over time, track the performance of your selected keywords using the dashboard. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on changes in rankings and traffic. Utilize Ahrefs Content Explorer to find popular content in your niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.